So we're... Oh, God.
I don't know.
What's up, guys? How you guys doing today? I'm with Joystick Jockey right now. We're actually sorry for the mess in the back. He just doesn't know how to clean his truck.
It's your stuff.
That scooter's my stuff. That basketball's not mine. That fishing pole's not mine.
Hey, you never know when you gotta go fishing.
Subway shirt. Backpack.
Subway shirt back then?
Yeah. 2 of them. Anyways, we're headed to a haunted Mets bridge, which I doubt it's haunted. Do you think this is it right here? No.
This is just taking us to the road where I have to turn on to go to the bridge.
Oh.
If you actually follow where the bridge is.
Okay. I know where the bridge is, so we just need to get there. But we're gonna go to a haunted bridge during the day. And then if you comment down below saying to go at night, we will go at night. Maybe. So if they comment down below, we're going at night. But they have to comment down below. It is. Guys, this is Mudman Bridge. It's on like a ghetto dirt road. I don't know if this is... What's so spooky about this? Josh had to park in like a parking space for like for someone's field. Oh, I don't have my my selfie stick, so it's gonna be terrible.
That is at the bottom of the truck.
Probably is, but I don't know. I don't want to go get it.
Well,
pretty thick mud. It feels thick. Spooky. We're gonna just like chill. That says duck. That doesn't say the F word. That says duck me.
Get out my fishing pole.
This doesn't look scary at all.
It doesn't look spooky because there's a campground right there.
Where'd he die at? Okay, so the theory...
Off the bridge. Don't hold your phone over the bridge.
So the theory is that some guy got ran over, well, he got hit off the road and he flew out into the mud and died. And no, his body was never found. So he flew off the bridge. That's really weird. Really scary. Do you think it would be that, like, mud? Right there? The big...
That's pure mud. Do not fall over, Tristan. Don't be the next guy who dies.
No. So, this is it. This is lame.
Might as well go fishing.
Probably. Want to get your fish pole?
No, there's nowhere to step down.
You don't have to step down. Cast off the bridge.
Oh, it's too deep.
Mudman Bridge.
Put down there. That's so when it rains, the water falls down.
Can you swim in here?
I would not advise you. Look at all those things that go. Those things like suck you down.
Yeah, but like, can you?
No, don't go.
I could 100% backflip off this right now.
There's a lot of graffiti.
There is. So. Who hearts? Josh. Sorry for all these graffiti marks. They're really nice, well drawn.
Horror.
We're gonna go underneath the bridge for a little bit.
Not like the bad thing, but like scary movies.
Josh, I think these were his pants.
Oh.
Rip.
I don't know if I'm picking
Me. Ooh.
A lot of beer cans down here.
Yeah. I think that's a sign they took out. What if they took out that sign that didn't even make it to the bridge? And they just went off this way. This way. Yep, I'm a savage. Someone's shirt. Oh, it's just mud. It's not mud, it's dirt right here, Josh. Do you think that was like the old part of the bridge, those wood steps? Or those... Oh!
Tristan?
I'm good. I don't know either. So, just gonna...
Only one way to find out.
Yeah, what? It's pretty deep.
Pretty deep. Good fishing spot. What if a catfish just came up and was like, wow.
Oh God.
I gotta take a lead.
Hey, don't say that. Oh God.
Right then.
What?
You're gonna fall in.
I'm not gonna fall in.
You're gonna get raped.
What? Take hugs, not drugs. Listen to that, kids.
There's a hornet's nest.
Whoa.
Made
What?
out of dirt. Those guys do a little construction. There's a lot of hornets over there.
Hey,
Jesus juice. Pennywise is probably down here.
Do you think this is what they hit? Maybe. No.
I don't know.
You just want me to come back at night? Should we come back at night? Comment down below if you want me to. Cause I will.
No,
I
like gold. Any sucker can comment.
Okay. If we get 5 likes.
Live.
Yep. Oh. Good.
10, because it costs money to get down here. I already got to fill up again. I usually fill up every Friday. I just filled up on Friday. I've already gone 200 miles. I got to fill up today and it's Monday. Alright, it's Tuesday. There's the money inside my birds.
Oh my God, Josh.
What?
Green worms.
Ew.
Why are they green? Are they sick?
Oh wait, evergreen. How are they still alive?
I don't know. You want to go fishing?
Want to get my fishing poles?
Let's go. Are you gonna really grab them?
I'm gonna go fish them right over here.
All right.
They got my birds.
So guys, I'm gonna end this video and I'm gonna start another video today. What? Keep it going, just like a vlog.
Vlog.
We'll just vlog it. So
We'll title it. Hold on. Pause
Haunted
it real quick.
Bridge.
Pause it. Pause it.
King, and we see a Satan star with 666.
That's how we're gonna die, boys.
Yeah. What's up, guys? I'm gonna be driving. I'm currently parked right now. Is it the square one?
Yes.
Okay. But I'm not gonna look at you guys very often because I'm gonna be driving.
If you put it down there, I can see your face more.
But I can't see the speedometer.
I'm getting a call. 1 second. Hello?
Unpause. Unpause. Okay. You have to call.
Alright, guys. Hopefully you can see me and hear me. But Martinez is driving, so that way I can get a footage of us going across the bridge. I'm currently vlogging 2 people. We're going across the bridge.
Thank you.
Don't floor it across the bridge. That's how we die.
Perfectly fine right now.
You're gonna hit a pole.
I'm not gonna hit a pole.
Anyway, we survived going across the bridge. So we might park and go somewhere else. I don't know. What do you think?
Do you want to explore that forest?
I don't know. But look, we're double vlogging. You can see Tristan on mine. Wow.
I'm actually driving on gravel.
Yeah.
How fast are you going down here? 45?
I was going like 55.
Well, I'm only going like 30.
Good. Because you're not experienced. Runs into the ditch. Well, good scenery shots.
I'm actually a good driver.
Anyway, that was the Mets Bridge.
Ready to go into this haunted forest. Drive for like the longest.